Kelvin Ariol in the CX Racing FCRX7. Ooh, Kelvin. It's exploding that front bumper. As it says on his windshield, ding. Uh-oh.
Hey guys, welcome back. It is, what's today? It's Tuesday. Just got home from work and I decided I needed to take apart the rest of my engine. So let's do that. Check out that sick ass car. Okay, smells like gas. Plan is to take everything apart. There's everything. So let's get to it. A hole. Okay, so I took off the alternator bracket and these metal chunks fell out, right? And if you look there, there's a hole. And on the other side, can't see it, there's also a hole. Non-impact socket. There we go. Nope. Gotta get the puller. Okay, gotta bust out this thing. I've had this forever. Even has a lifetime warranty. Okay, let's set this up. On the face. They're in your shitty car? Yeah. Let's see if alright. Okay, I have to pull this out. I have to pull this puller out every 2 years just to pull out this pulley. Back in the day, this thing was like 10 bucks. Now it's probably like 30. Okay, so timing belt's still brand new. Got all the bolts off. And there it is. Hopefully the crank is still good. Hopefully the bore's still good. Only one way to find out. Like you can still read the numbers on the timing belt. Bando power. I'm gonna take off the head and see what else is damaged. Okay, so another tool that I have just for this engine is this, I don't know, is it XYZ, XZN, ZYX, I forget. It's like an inverted 12-point Allen. And that is what holds on the head studs. Okay, I got all the head bolts out. Let's make sure nothing's connected to the head still. Our water lines are still on. One water line. Dowel pin. Pry this section up. Okay. I think we're loose. Okay. There's a crack, which makes me want to look at the head. I'm hoping that this head is still good. Moment of truth. If this head isn't good, then I need another head. Okay. Let's lift. Okay. Just visually looking at it, the head looks fine. I do have to say that cylinder 1 looks really clean. Okay. Cylinder 1 looks cleaner than 2, 3, and 4. So, did I have a blown head gasket? Okay. Here's the piston. Oh no, this bore is messed up.
This is a homage beat.
No. This bore is way messed up. I was originally gonna just weld that up and maybe just hone it, but nope. It's messed up. I'm guessing after the rod let go, it just slapped the hell out of that bore. Anyways, oh, that nut is missing. I'm gonna say the rod let go, the nut got loose, started knocking around, instantly stretching the other side, and it just threw the harmonics off. And I think it was just slapping around. I'm gonna say my oil pump's still good, and I don't know how easy that's supposed to be to spin, but it feels kind of stiff compared to that. I don't know, maybe it oil starved and the rod end overheated, just started slapping around. We're already here. Let's take out this oil pump and see if we had any oil pump failure. I don't see any deep scratches. I'm gonna say that the oil pump was sticking because there's a bunch of water in there. I might say the oil pump's good. Oh, looks like that rod end was just slapping this thing and destroyed the piston. So, did the rod stretch and let go? Did the rod bend and start hitting the counterweight? I don't know. Okay, well, I made a mess. This still is at 1% for some reason and it hasn't died. It's a school night, boys and girls. I think I'm gonna go in. Oh, so I just lazily organize this on the tool cart. There's no actual organization. Okay, so I should probably order parts, right? Try to get new parts. Things like hoses, heater hoses. That's a good idea. Maybe a brake master cylinder rebuild kit. Maybe something to clean up the wiring loom. Off the top of my head, rod bearings, crank bearings, thrust bearings, timing belt, stuff like that, FIPG. Then I'm gonna try to put it on the new rack and new cross member.